People think success comes from variety, new recipes, new plans, new excitement. But in real life, most of us already eat on repeat. Before keto and carnivore, I did too. It was just processed foods and carbs, the same ones over and over again. And here's the part that matters. Most of us already eat the same foods over and over. That's just how human eating patterns work. So it makes sense to make those foods we repeat the ones that actually support our metabolism. So repetition was never the problem. The problem was what I wasn't repeating. When I changed which foods were on repeat, everything changed. Simple meals started working for me instead of against me. Blood sugar steadied, hunger became quieter, energy became more reliable. For some people, that looks like keto: eggs, meat, stable fats, dairy if tolerated, simple veggies. For others, it's carnivore: meat, eggs, and maybe some dairy. Different approaches, same idea. So if we're going to eat foods on repeat anyway, why not choose the ones that are more nutrient dense, the ones that actually give the body what it needs, instead of constantly asking for more? That doesn't make food boring, it just makes life simpler. And when food gets simpler, it stops running the show. I still eat the same meals often, not because I have to, but because they make me feel good and keep everything else steady. Plus, an added bonus, they're delicious. This is real life, not perfect, just consistent, and sometimes consistency is the thing that finally works. I'll see you tomorrow.